Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we are doing something super important. Lesson number 1. We are learning all about the dashboard and other controls in the car. It may be slightly different from model to model. For the demonstration purposes, I am using a Toyota Corolla automatic car. Before we hit the road, you need to know exactly what everything does. It's a bit like getting to know your new phone. Once you know the buttons, you feel way more confident using them. So, sit back, relax, and let me walk you through the controls you'll be using every time you drive. By the end of this video, you'll feel comfortable, motivated, and ready to take charge behind the wheel. Now it's your responsibility to make sure all in the vehicle, including yourself, wear the seat belts. For the correct seating position, please adjust the seat to rest your rest on the top of the steering wheel. Hold the steering wheel to and 10 o'clock position. Hold lightly, thumbs are inwards. Use the car key to switch on car accessories and controllers. Turn the key clockwise. First tick is to release the steering wheel lock. The second click is to accessories on. The third click is to start the engine. Turn anti-clockwise to switch off the engine. Right in front of you, you'll see the instrument cluster. This is your information center. Let's break it down. Fuel gauge tells you how much petrol you've got left. If it drops to E, you will not be going anywhere. Speedometer, the big dial on the right. Keep this one in the legal zone, please. Tachometer, rev counter, shows how hard the engine's working. Warning lights, little icons that pop up. For battery, oil, airbags, engine, handbrakes. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize them all today. Like headlights or high beams. Red lights means something serious needs attention now. Yellow lights means something needs checking soon. Green or blue lights means something is turned on. If the car tries to tell you something, don't ignore it. Next up, indicators, found on the right-hand stalk behind the steering wheel. Push up to signal left. Push down to signal right. You'll see green arrows flash on your dashboard and hear that tick. Tick, tick sound. Also, you can see yellow or orange light in front, side and the back when the indicators are on. Please use them. Excuse me everyone, I'm turning. On the left-hand stalk, we've got your windscreen wipers. You can twist the end of the stalk to adjust the speed. Off, intermittent, low, high. Depends on the condition, you can choose. Horn is on the middle. Let's move to your side mirrors. Good mirror setup is essential for safe driving. On the right side of the dashboard, next to the driver's door, you'll find the mirror control switch. Here's how to set them properly. Select L for left mirror or R for right mirror. Use the little arrows to adjust. You should be able to see a small part of your car's edge, plenty of the lane beside you, and a good portion of the road behind. Good mirrors reduce blind spots. The better your mirrors are set, the more confident you'll feel changing lanes, turning, and merging. Let's look down at the pedals. The part everyone gets nervous about at first. An automatic car has 2 pedals. Right pedal, the accelerator, left pedal, the brake. Your right foot controls both pedals. Your left foot does nothing. Keep it relaxed. Off to the resting are on the left side. Accelerator. Gently press to increase speed. Smooth pressure is the goal. No sudden stomping. Brake. Apply gradual pressure to slow down or stop. Smooth braking makes passengers trust you. Let's get into one of the most important controls. The gear selector. An automatic car, it's very beginner-friendly. Here's what each gear means. P, park, locks the transmission. Use it when stopped and turning off the car. R, reverse. For backing up. Always brake before shifting into R. N, neutral. This disconnects the engine. You won't use it much in normal driving. D, drive. Your main driving mode. Put the car in D, and you're ready to move. The car changes gears for you. Others are manual gears. Generally, you do not use it. To shift gears safely, keep your foot firmly on the brake. Press the button on the side of the shifter. Move it smoothly into the gear you want. Release the brake gently, then apply light acceleration. Smoothness is key. Don't rush the movements. Between the seats, You'll find the handbrake, also called the parking brake. Pull the lever up until it clicks. To release, pull up slightly, press the button, and gently lower it. Always apply the handbrake when parking, especially on hills. This stops the car from rolling and protects the transmission. Now look at your driver's door. To engage, push the switch down to lower the window. Pull it up to raise it. There's also a window lock button. Handy if you have younger siblings or kids who think the window button is a toy. And that's your full tour of the dashboard and controls in a general automatic car. Remember, learn it, try it, master it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press subscribe button and press the bell button. See you on the next lesson.